This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Sorry. Yes, I would have the person who brought it to the notice of the court, which is appearing as item number 1.
Is Mr. Sengupta?
Yes.
We are not quite clear whether notice has been issued to the persons against whom the allegation has been made. Perhaps not.
Perhaps not, because rule has to be issued, otherwise.
No, we have gone through the material on record, the affidavits filed, the pen drive that has been supplied. Prima facie, we are of the view this is a case of criminal contempt.
Great.
And therefore, we will issue notice to these persons. And along with that, we will grant them an opportunity of filing an affidavit responding to the allegation. Thereafter, if they file an affidavit or if they don't file, we'll again sit, and if we are not satisfied with the explanation they give, we'll issue rule, carry it forward from there.
May I just suggest this? Your Lordship is dividing into 2 parts. One is issuing a notice, and then after the show cause, if your Lordships are not satisfied, your Lordships will issue a rule. I put it this way. If your Lordship initially issues a rule means notice to show cause.
Show cause as to why they shouldn't be sent to prison or fined.
So,
Mr. Sengupta, generally what we do is that we give an opportunity to explain their conduct.
In reply to that,
if we are not satisfied with that conduct, that explanation, then we immediately issue a rule and they'll...
Not in reply to the rule itself, they can file affidavit and say. Otherwise, it will be prolonging the proceedings.
No, we won't keep it pending for long, don't worry. But this is the procedure all of us follow.
Oh, I see.
Allow us to stick to that.
That is the court's consistency.
And one other thing, CRLCP number 7 is more comprehensive insofar as the number of parties are concerned. So the 3 mentioned in the other 2 matters are there in this also, plus 5. So very good. But the difficult then alada direction composite
কম্পোজিট করে এই 8 জনকে নোটিশ
4 থেকে 8 অন্য দুটো নেই they cannot
কম্পোজিট অর্ডার করে দেয়, কারণ অ্যালিগেশন সব সাবস্টেন্সিয়াল সেম। আমি সবটা
5 থেকে 4 অকলের পার্টিকুলার দেওয়ানি পার্টিকুলার আমার ডিফারেন্স তাকে দিতে পারেনি, পার্টিকুলার তো কন্টেন্ট দিতে পারেন সবাইকে, তাদেরকে অ্যাসার্টেন করতে হবে, সেই ডিরেকশন দিতে হবে। পুনরায় বসের অ্যাড্রেস দিতে পারেনি আমরা, সেই অ্যাড্রেসটা কমিশন ডাইরেক্ট পুনরায় বসের অ্যাড্রেস দিতে পারেনি আমরা। অফিসার্স উইল অ্যাসার্টেন দ্য 4 থেকে 8 ডিসগুলো দুটোতে অপোজিশন ফাইল করে
সেটা বলে that all of us do this exercise and on the that's my subject.
The respective alleged contenders shall file affidavit of opposition for the applications.
We have named 3 persons whom we could identify. But police, since this is a very grave case, police is competent enough to find out from the CCTV camera or the videos who are these persons, what are their addresses. Then, Lord, it could be comprehensive. Otherwise, Lord, 3 persons will come.
Mr. Ghoshal apparently has named 8 persons, including those 3.
Yes.
Including those 3.
8 persons, but there are only armed number of persons. Your Lordship, I have seen the video.
সিসি ফুটেজ প্রিজার্ভ করতে বলতে পারি, সিসি ফুটেজ প্রিজার্ভ করতে হবে, এন্টার অলমোস্ট বিষয় জাস্ট সিসি ফুটেজ এগুলো প্রিজার্ভ করতে হবে।
ইস করিনি কমিশন অফ প্রিলিমিনারি একটা ইনকোয়ারি
4 to 8:30 সিসি ফুটেজ অলমোস্ট স্ক্রিন সংখ্যা সবার ইনস্ট্যান্ট বসে নামটা দিয়েছি পার্টিকুলার দিতে পারবেন।
ঠিক আছে।
AG has been given a notice also.
Yes, my lord. AG has been given a notice, my lord. He has instructed me to, my lord, address your lord.
এসো
Yeah.
একসঙ্গে করো সবকটা।
CCTV footage must be kept because otherwise, after some time, they'll say, no, this CCTV footage has gone. Has to be preserved
from 4 to
from 4 to 8:30 of the fateful day.
Kiran Shankara Road and Old Post Office.
There would be around 10 to 12 CCTV cameras in that recent 20 our drive being protected for the time being.
25th, 4 PM to 8:30 would do.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
4 p.m. to 8:30 will do.
Let it be 9.
আবার 9টা কেন 8:30টার মধ্যে যাওয়া হয়ে গেছে
25th.
আপনার অনুমতি নিয়ে
কি আমার পিছনে পিছনে একটা করে পুলিশ যাবে
In the meantime, my lord, will kindly direct the police to initiate protective measures, my lord, so that these incidents are not repeated in future.
These proceedings for criminal contempt have been initiated suo motu by the court of the Honorable the Chief Justice for an extremely unfortunate incident. Stop. Paragraph. We have gone through the material which have so far been brought on record, including affidavits of persons who were present at the scene of occurrence. Stop. Prima facie, we are of the view that criminal contempt has been committed in this case by interfering with due administration of justice and scandalizing the judiciary. Stop. Paragraph. Hence, comma, let notice be issued to the 8,
Which is CRCLP.
7 has 8
to
names.
the 8 alleged contemnors named in CRLCP number 7 of 2025. Stop.
Who are also list containers in the other two.
Acha.
The alleged container numbers 1, 2, and 3
They are common in the fact.
Huh.
1, 2, and 3 of whom are
in CRLCP is number 7 are also alleged contemnors in ওই অন্য দুটো না
5 or 6. 5 or 6.
5 or 6 Stop. Let copies of all affidavits and other material available so far in the records of these contempt proceedings be made available to the alleged contemnors. Stop. They will be at liberty to file replies within fortnight. Within a fortnight from the date of receipt of notice. Stop. Paragraph. The Commissioner of Police is directed to cause due inquiry and identify the persons who were responsible and who participated in the unfortunate incident. Stop. The Commissioner is requested to file a report in this regard on the adjourned date. Paragraph. The preserve করবে ওটা কমিশনার
Commissioner shall ensure.
সেটা কমিশনার
Shall ensure. Commissioner shall
The Commissioner of Police shall also ensure that the CCTV footage, that the concerned CCTV footage of the incident on April 25, 2025 is preserved, particularly between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m.
On the road. Kiran Shankar Road and
Old Post Office up to Kiran Shankar Rai Road, my lord. 7C Kiran Shankar. That is the area, my lord, which we are occupying.
cameras installed in the
Right. Seven.
District of the CCTV cameras installed at or in the vicinity of KS Roy Road and Old Post Office Street. 3 থেকে করো 3 to 9 3 to 9 stop আর কি রে আরেকটা কি paragraph the Office of Learned Advocate General is requested to ensure that the police report that we have called for is available before us on the adjourned date. On prior circulation to learned advocates appearing in the different matters. Paragraph. The Commissioner of Police is also requested to ensure due protection to the learned members of the profession and to see that the unfortunate incident does not recur. Paragraph. কবে রাখবি 2 সপ্তাহ পরে 2 সপ্তাহ পরে একটা ডেট দিয়ে দে আজকে 2 তারিখ তো
সার্ভিস অ্যাডভান্স করতে না করে 10 ডেজ করে 2 সপ্তাহ বাদে আমরা রেখে দিই ওটা আজকে হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট 2 সপ্তাহ বাদে
নোটিশটা কি রেজিস্ট্রি কি বলে
রেজিস্ট্রি কে বলা হচ্ছে না রেজিস্ট্রেশন
নেক্সট learned registrar general of this court is requested to ensure that notice of these proceedings are served on the persons mentioned above along with the relevant material, immediately. 2 একদিন তো লাগবে এই জন্য 19 তারিখে List the matter paragraph. List the matter once again on May 19. Marked at 12:30 p.m. At 12:30 p.m. Next, on the adjourned date, Learned Registrar General shall file a report as regards service to the alleged contemners.
Lord, may I pray for to bring certain materials on record which may assist your lordship in coming to a decision.
Paragraph. Parties will be at liberty to file affidavits to bring on record any relevant material.
My lord,
all concerned parties na kore. All concerned.
My lords, may I, my lord, most humbly, my lord, make one request, my lord. 19th being the first day of the week, if your lordships, my lord, are kindly pleased to keep it on the next day or any other day.
What is the significance of the first day of the week?
Nothing, my lord. Just after, my lord, Sunday, my lord, so that we can also.
Generally, Mondays come after Sunday. So no. First day of the week, so what? You'll get the weekend.
Yes, working
gather those reports.
One working day before the hearing, if your lordship so deems fit.
You have Friday. No.
Very well.
Cannot delay it further because it's a
very
serious
well,
matter and
very
we are closing after 23rd.
Very well,
that's the reason we are keeping it.
Very well, my lord.
This is a serious matter.
My lord.
ঠিক আছে চল যাই আমরা